Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Finding the right Discord server for your interest is actually pretty easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to show you several simple ways to find the best Discord servers for your gaming, study, music, anime, technology, communities, and almost any other topic. First, you need to use the Discord's own server discovery feature. Go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on this plus icon, which is indicating add a server option. Here you can create your own server, or you also can go ahead and join a server. So go ahead and click on join. And if you have the invite link, go ahead and enter it right here and click on join server. And if you do not have one, click on this option right here. And this will take you to the community on Discord, where you can use the search bar in the top right and search for any Discord server which you want to join, or you can scroll down and there's various feature servers which are very popular on Discord that you can go ahead. For this example, I'm going to go for League of Legends. Once you're inside, click on the join League of Legends in the top of the screen, go through a verification, and you'll be instantly added to that specific Discord. Or you can also go to the Discord community again, and here you can simply search for your topic and you'll get great options to go for. Another thing you can do is you can go to a web browser, and here you can use the Google to search or find specific communities. Like search for best Minecraft Discord servers, hit search on your keyboard, and you'll get various options right here. Then after click on accept the invite or join the specific server, go through a verification process, and you'll be done. But before joining a server, do not just look at the number of the members. Check whether the server is active, read its description and rules, and see whether people are actually talking and engaging. A smaller active community can often be much better than a huge inactive server. So that's it. Using the Discord's Discover feature, server directories, Google, Reddit, and other online communities can help you find Discord servers for almost any interest in just a simple way in a few minutes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.